Alright guys, so it is currently Sunday afternoon. Me and my beautiful girlfriend decided to come down to the warehouse and actually start wrapping the M3. So as all of you guys know, I actually went ahead and picked the new color for the M3. The color that we're going to be wrapping the car is a super gloss vampire red. So it's actually like a deep gloss red. I'll go and show you guys in a minute. But as far as right now, I'm going to go ahead and start the disassembly process on the car. So we're only going to be removing the fender vents, mirrors, and door handles for right now. Pretty much my main goal for today is just to knock out both sides of the car. We'll go ahead and save the bumpers for tomorrow, but as far as that, I'm super busy this week, so I'm not gonna have any time this week to actually go ahead and wrap it, so I thought today would probably be the best day. Alright guys, it is currently 4:57 and we're going to go ahead and start the disassembly process on the M3. Once it's ready to go, I'll bring you guys back. From there, we're going to go ahead and start off first with the quarter panel, work our way up forward, and then I believe my girlfriend wants to wrap the doors, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and let her wrap those. She's happy about that. Okay, so it is currently 6:06 and me and my girlfriend just got done with the BMW. So as you guys can see, it looks super clean. Went ahead and went over all of the edges just to make sure that there wasn't any adhesive promoter left from the old wrap. My girlfriend wants to wrap the doors, so while I wrap the passenger side, I'm actually going to go ahead and set up my girlfriend on the driver's side. But yeah, so that should be pretty interesting. We'll see how she does. So now that I have the color out, I just want to go ahead and show you guys before we go ahead and start wrapping. This is Tech. This is a super gloss blood red. This is actually the second or third roll that they've shipped out. So this is actually going to be the second or third car that's gonna have a full wrap in this color. This is one of the main reasons why I was kind of impatient on getting it wrapped. I just wanted to get it done so I can get some photos. Just wanted to be one of the first 3 to have this done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one final wipe down, set you guys up, and let's go ahead and start wrapping it. Alright guys, so I just finished up the passenger quarter panel. This color is absolutely so sick. I'm super stoked to have this on the car. I can't wait to finish it up. But anyways, now that the quarter panel is finished, I'm actually going to go ahead and let my girlfriend finish up the passenger side. What I'm going to do while she wraps the door is I'm actually going to go ahead and start on the driver's side. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap the driver's side quarter panel. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and do a time lapse of my girlfriend wrapping the door. So let's get it. so the passenger side of the M3 is all finished up. You guys can see it looks freaking amazing. I also happened to go ahead and finish up the driver's side. So I got the quarter panel and the door wrapped. My girlfriend knocked out both doors, came out really, really good, and I just went ahead and trimmed them. So as far as today, we're actually just going to go ahead and knock out the fenders. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do one final wipe down on the fenders, set you guys up, and let's go ahead and knock them out. Before I take off, I just want to show you guys what the car looks like at night. You guys can see I pulled it outside. It looks super, super crazy. Absolutely so sick. Alright guys, so welcome back to day 2 on the M3. It is currently 11:46. So yesterday we started wrapping around 5 or 6 o'clock. I ended up leaving here around 11, so I had maybe about 4 or 5 hours into wrapping it yesterday. Me and Federico are going to go ahead and finish it up right now. We're going to go ahead and start off first with front and rear bumper, and then from there we'll go ahead and finish up the side skirts, rear trunk, and hood. Other than that, we're going to be leaving the roof carbon fiber. The mirrors will be staying black, and then I'm thinking about wrapping the door handles. I just want to see how it looks when it's all complete first, and then I'll go ahead and decide from there. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and get the rear bumper removed, and then from there I'll bring you guys back. We'll do one final wipe down, and let's go ahead and finish up the M3. So I got the rear bumper all thrown on. As you guys can see, everything came out really, really good. So now that the rear bumper is done, I'm actually going to go ahead and wrap the passenger side skirt. So So me and Federico have been absolutely grinding out on the cars. You guys can see it is pretty much all done. So now the only thing that we have left on this car is just to trim out the gas tank, because I have to put gas in once we leave. And we have to go ahead and wrap the hood. Front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, everything else is finished on this car. It's coming out super, super good, as you guys can see. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and do one final wipe down. Federico actually just did that. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up and let's go ahead and finish up the M3. All right guys, so it is currently 8:14 and the M3 is all finished up. I want to give a huge shout out to my boy Federico for helping me out today. Without him, we probably wouldn't have got it done today. There's so much glue left on the front and rear bumper, so there's quite a bit that needed to be prepped and cleaned still. But yeah, you guys can see the car looks freaking amazing. So happy with how it turned out. Alright guys, so a lot longer of a day than I wanted it to be, but the M3 is fully finished. We just started that one yesterday, so we have maybe about 10 hours or so into that one, maybe 12. But anyways, got the Evo parked inside, the Beamer inside as well, and then we have a Lamborghini Urus drop off for tomorrow. Damn, that color is so sick. I'm so happy with it. Alright brother, thank you broski. I'll hit you up my guy. Yo, that shit looks sick, huh? Sheesh! Dude, the color at night is absolutely insane. So hyped on this.